A gentle patter of rain wakes Tara the tree frog as she peeks from a bright green leaf high in the rainforest canopy. Like and subscribe if you love learning fun nature facts. Tara's tiny toes grip the slippery branches as she explores her leafy neighborhood. Scientists have found that tree frogs have special pads on their feet, letting them stick to leaves and climb with ease. One amazing thing about the canopy is how it forms a living roof, sheltering animals and plants below. Tara settles in a cozy nook, listening to the rain, feeling safe in her treetop world. Tell us your favorite animal in the comments.